Drizzling delights, mastering the art of sauce application. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we make learning English fun and easy. Today, we're diving into a delicious topic: drizzle with sauce. Whether you're a food enthusiast or just love exploring new phrases, this video is for you. We're going to explore what it means, how to use it in a sentence, and why it's a favorite in culinary conversations. So, let's get started and add some flavor to your English skills. The phrase, drizzle with sauce, might sound like it's straight out of a cooking show. And you're not wrong. To drizzle means to pour a liquid, in this case, a sauce, lightly and evenly over the surface of food. Imagine a gentle rain falling over a landscape, but in this scenario, the landscape is your delicious meal, and the rain is your favorite sauce. The key here is the lightness and evenness of pouring, which is often done using a spoon or a special bottle designed for this purpose. When to use it? This phrase is commonly used in both cooking and serving food. Chefs drizzle sauce over dishes to enhance their flavor, add moisture, and improve their appearance. It's a technique beloved in desserts, salads, grilled meats, and many other dishes. How to use it? Using drizzle with sauce in a sentence is simple. Here are a few examples. For the final touch, drizzle the chocolate sauce over the strawberries. Before serving, drizzle the salad with olive oil and balsamic vinegar. To add some zest, drizzle your grilled vegetables with lemon tahini sauce. Notice how the phrase can easily adapt to various contexts, making your conversations about food more descriptive and vivid. Drizzling is not just about pouring. It's an art that adds a visual and flavorful touch to dishes. When done correctly, it can turn a simple dish into a masterpiece. Here are some tips. Use a spoon or a drizzle bottle for more control. Aim for a thin, steady stream to evenly distribute the sauce. Consider the sauce's consistency. Thinner sauces are easier to drizzle and spread more evenly. We hope you enjoyed exploring the phrase, drizzle with sauce, with us. It's a small detail that can make a big difference in both your culinary adventures and your English conversations. Next time you're enjoying a beautifully prepared dish, remember the art and precision behind that simple drizzle of sauce. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to bringing you more fun and informative content. Keep practicing, and don't forget to drizzle a little bit of learning into your day, every day.